Welcome, amazing friends. And in this tutorial, you are going to learn how to solve this math Olympiad equation. It's just very simple, okay? So relax. And don't forget to tell us how it helps you in the comments. We always hope to serve you best. Now, let's do it together. So we are going to begin this with solution. To solve this, you just need to remember the rules of exponents. And one of them is each time you have a raised to power m plus n, okay? It means a raised to power of m will be multiplied with a raised to power of n. Did you see? So the powers are always added, then you take one of the bases and it gives you this. So let's see how we apply it in the given question. So for this, you observe that the powers are already added, just like this. So we're going to put it in this form. So we're going to now have 5 raised to power of x is multiplied by 5 raised to power of 6. You see that? So that when you add the powers, it gives you this. Is equal to 6 raised to power of x is multiplied by 6 raised to power of 5. Now what do we do again? You observe we are looking for the value of x. So we need to remove this. And to remove it, because it's multiplying, you divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 5 to the power of 6 and do same here. So if you do that, this cancels this, and you'll be left with 5 to the power of x is equal to 6 to the power of x times 6 to the power of 5 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Now what do you do again? You observe that we still need to remove this. And to remove it, we are going to divide, okay? Because you observe it's multiplying. So you divide this. So we're going to divide both sides by 6 to the power of x. So to do that, we divide this side by 6 to the power of x, okay? And we also divide this side by 6 to the power of x. Did you see that? If you do that, you are going to now have 5 to the power of x divided by 6 to the power of x is equal to 6 to the power of x multiplied 6 to the power of 5 is divided by 5 to the power of 6. Remember, this is over 1. So to change the division sign, this goes up and this comes down. It changed to multiplication. So the 1 goes up, okay? We are multiplying. So 6 to the power of x comes down. Did you see that? So this can now cancel this. And in that case, you are going to have, so from this point, we are going to now have 5 to the power of x divided by 6 to the power of x is equal to, here we are left with 6 to the power of 5 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Interesting. Now what do you do next? Just remember this rule of exponents. Each time a is raised to power m and b is raised to power m, it simply means a divided by b will be raised to power of m. So we're going to apply this rule to the left side of the equation. And in that case, we are going to have from here, you observe the powers are the same, so you can apply this rule. And that gives us 5 divided by 6 to the power of x is equal to 6 to the power of 5 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Now, to get your x, you need to take the log of both sides, okay? So we have log of 5 divided by 6 to the power of x is equal to log of 6 to the power of 5 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Interesting. Now, what do you do next? Just remember that for every log of a to the power of x, it means that this power multiplies the log. So it gives you x log a. So this rule is going to guide us. Now, to get this x is power. It's going to multiply the log. So we're going to now have x log 5 divided by 6 is equal to log of 6 to the power of 5 divided by 5 to the power of 6. Interesting. Now, to get your x, you observe that it is multiplying. So you are free to divide both sides by log of 5 divided by 6. And you do same here. So you have log of 5 divided by 6. Now, this takes off this. So we're going to have x will give us x is equal to log of 6 to the power of 5 divided by 5 to the power of 6 is divided by log of 5 divided by 6. Did you see that? Now, remember this rule also, which says each time you have log of A divided by B, it simply means log of A minus log of B. Interesting. Now we're going to apply this rule to simplify our results, okay? So from here, we're going to now have x is giving us, so you apply this division rule. So we're going to have log of 6 to the power of 5 minus log of 5 to the power of 6. Are you with me? Is divided by, apply it here also, we have log of 5 minus log of 6. Interesting. Now, to simplify it more, we are going to just remember that this power is always multiplying the log, okay? So you make sure you simplify to the lowest form. And to do that, let me show you what you would do. Now, from here, we have x as being, so use this to multiply. So it gives us 5 log 6 minus, this gives us, use this, it gives us 6 log 5, all divided by log of 5 minus log of 6. But we cannot leave our answer like this, okay? You should simplify it because 6 is not the lowest form. It should be expressed as a prime number, okay? 6 is not yet prime. So what do you do? Remember that for 6, it is the same as 2 multiplied by 3. That is the prime multiplication of this number 6. Did you get? So what do you do? Now, it means you are going to have x is equal to 5 log. For this 6, we have it as 2 multiplied by 3. I hope you are with me. Minus 6 log 5, okay? We don't need to, this one is already on its own simplified. The one we want to simplify is the number 6 that is attached to the log. I hope you are with me. So we are going to have divided by log of 5 minus, for this you have log of 2 multiplied by 3. Did you see that? Now, just remember quickly that log of A multiplied by B is the same as log of A, multiplication turns to addition. Then you have log of B. Interesting. Now, apply it here to make your work look beautiful. You're going to have x is equal to 5 log, okay? This is going to give us 5 log 2 for this, okay, plus log of 3. I hope you are with me there, okay? Then minus 6 log 5 is divided by log of 5 minus, for this we are going to have log of 2 plus log of 3. I hope you are with me there. So simplify it. Finally, we have x is equal to, this 5 will simplify, it will expand these two. So we have 5 log 2 plus 5 log 3, okay, minus 6 log 5, all divided by, we have log of 5. This negative sign expands. Remember, you can have negative 1 here, okay? Invisible negative 1. So use it to expand this. You have negative log 2. Use it on this, you have negative log 3. And this becomes the value of x. Remember that if you look at the answer carefully, you observe that the numbers for the log are all prime, so they are the lowest form of this answer. And I hope you really understood what we did. Just know that you cannot use this 3, log 3, to cancel this because the sign bounding this is subtraction. So it cannot allow you to cancel out. And this should be the answer for this question. And I hope you really learned a lot. Let's know how much in the comments. And don't forget to share for more people to learn with you. See you in our next class and subscribe for more tips. Bye-bye.